Hey, this is Market Moves with Matt, with your host, Matt Janino. This is the YouTube series where I show you and teach you how to trade and how to think like a trader. So I have been trading for 3 years and I've been trying to spread my knowledge recently on YouTube. So today I made a pretty good trade and I want to share it with you, put on the chart and let you know my entry and exit point, what I was thinking the whole time, so this can help you better trade yourself. Because I want to share the knowledge. I don't want to make all the money all the time. I want to help you guys out. So as you guys know, I am short Netflix. I have long options going out till next year saying Netflix is going to melt. And the reason I say that is because look at this weekly chart. I mean, I don't care how great this company is. If you buy up this quickly, it is almost most certainly going to fall more quickly than this. More rapidly, it's going to drop down, and I'm going to be ready for that. So I'm buying in before the drop. It's a little bit scary, but I'm feeling confident with my long options that I have enough time to wait for the drop. And today, the price went against me pretty hard, and I usually take it, but I saw it as an option today to trade it. And let me show you what I was looking at. I knew from the pretty much every time chart we are overdrawn. If we pull up into Netflix here, we've been pushing up on the upper Bollinger Band on every time frame. And what this does is move these bands apart, and this just creates opportunity to swing lower when the time comes. Like right here, we were pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Boom, we went to the middle band pretty fast, pretty hard. Did that here, we did that here. And today, we actually closed with something called a shooting star with pretty large volume. So that's a pretty bad sign for the bulls. That means that the bulls couldn't push it any higher and they kind of got stuck. And a shooting star is a candlestick that is above, it gaps up above the last day and it doesn't make any progress. It kind of stagnates. It's really short. And if it's with a high volume like it is down here, that's an ugly sign for the bulls. That's a good sign for me because I am shorting this stuff. And a lot of people are saying 420 was going to be Netflix's end, 420 and chill. But let me get to the trade, show you what I was doing, what I was thinking. I'm going to go on the 1 minute chart because this trade was 3 minutes and 40 seconds long. I didn't even think about it. I didn't sweat. I was pretty confident in this trade. So here I bought Netflix call expiring that week for $520. 3 minutes, 40 seconds later, I sold it for $750. My P&L says I made $260, so I don't understand the math between these two, but either way, I made above 200. So at the open today, we'll go to the open right here. We opened up about 10 points higher, 405, and we opened to 415. And gap ups are one of my favorite things to trade. They're a very high probability way of making money because a gap up signifies that there were no buyers and sellers in the middle. So they need to fill in that middle eventually. And the best time to fill it in is in that day. If they don't fill it in the day, it might be filled in over the next coming weeks or months. So I'm trading options, FYI, and I bought an option ending in 2 days for $520. I bought it around 416, so pretty much the top of the open, 416.40. And I put my phone down, chatted a little bit with my fiance, walked to my car. 2 minutes later, I opened up my phone and we're at 411. So I got a 5-point move in 2 minutes, and with my option, that was about $50 a point, so $250. And I sold it right away. Didn't really mess around with wanting more profit, being greedy. I like taking profit quick, so I was not opposed to taking profit on this one. So I sold it, and that was it. Made $250 in 3 minutes 40 seconds. And this is a great example of a gap up opportunity. And it happens all the time, happens in the index. You can actually do searches. You can scan the market for stocks that gap up. They're actually right here in the top 10 public, or yeah, just the public. We have gap up, gap down stocks. Every day, open this up, click that button. You can find opportunities wherever. What we ended up doing today is forming a cup, part of the cup, and cups usually mean a change in direction. We have a cup down here, and then we popped off higher, but most of the time cups end up trading lower. So if we form this cup and drop to this next high volume node, it seems pretty probable. So 390 would be the next spot to look for. So we just went over the trade today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helps you understand what I'm thinking, what can help you in the market. And that's all I got. So last thing I want to show you is my Muhammad Ali shirt. He is the greatest of all time. I'm trying to be the greatest trader of all time. So we got some motivation today and did not let him down. All right, enjoy.